Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm gonna go to Miyajima Island. The island is not that far from the mainland. I would say it would take like 10 to 15 minutes to cross over to the island. So I'm gonna see the floating Tori, and also I wanna try the famous Momiji baju, custard filling or red bean filling cake. And after that, this afternoon I'll have a lunch at the mainland. After that, I'm gonna go to Peace Memorial Museum and the park as well. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. This is Hiroshima mainland, and I'm here at the Miyajima Island with this deer, and we have some more here. So the weather today is about 5 degrees Celsius. It's not gonna rain, at least in the forecast. Yeah, it's a perfect day to explore the island. I'm really excited to see the Tori. That's the Tori. So I need to go there as soon as possible before the low tide hit the Tori. So let's go. Hurry up. Shrine, and the shrine is actually was built in 12th century by a powerful man, and I believe the famous Tori Gate was built together with the shrine, because the Tori Gate is actually facing toward the shrine. So there is an entrance fee if you want to enter the shrine. It's around 300 yen for adult.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it.
So after a few hours of walking around and took pictures, heading back to the mainland, to the city. And I think I want to go back to the hotel, freshen up a little bit, and then continue to see Hiroshima. So it has been a nice time here in Miyajima Island. It's a little bit rain, but it's not stopping now. And also I tried maple leaf shaped cake. Now it's time to head back to the mainland.
Easy go.